Good morning, everyone, or should I actually say good afternoon? Um, yeah, I'm just getting started, mainly because I just got back from church. So, welcome to my workshop. I'm Tina, and this is Tina's workshop, and this is day two of Tour De Fleece 2026. And if you remember where we left off yesterday, we have these going. So, my plans for today, being a little shorter as they are, my plans are to ply this so it'll be a finished yarn and to do the second bobbin of this, which I have ready to go right here. So that is the extent of my goals for today. And my goals yesterday was to ply or to make one bobbin, spin one bobbin. And we see what I did yesterday. So if we go further, we go further. But my goal for today, ply and spin a bobbin. So this will be ready tomorrow to ply. I did a tiny bit of spindle spinning this morning in the car, but I didn't do a whole lot because honestly, I was goofing around on my phone. So sue me. Yeah, I know. I play Pokemon Go and, there were some special Pokemon out today and I was trying to catch them all. Um, so anyway, I am going to get off of here and I'm going to get spinning. So I will see you all in a few hours for an update and we will see how far I've gotten. Happy spin. Well, I'm recording this a little bit later than I had planned, but we ended up having company over. So I hadn't planned that either. And that being said, I almost didn't finish my bobbin because by the time I came back up here, it was around the time that I said I was going to be recording, and I'm like, oh, do I want to finish the bobbin? But I really wanted to be able to have it done so it could be plied tomorrow. So I decided to go ahead and finish it, which is why now I'm recording a little bit late. And yesterday I was actually done a little bit earlier and I got things recorded. And then the internet decided to be slow and it didn't finally upload until late last night. So who knows? By the time this is done and uploaded, I guess it all depends on whether the internet decides to upload it well or not. So I did get my skein done and it actually came out really quite nice. So I'm actually very proud of that because remember I had a lot of over twist and there's still some spots you'll see where you can go like, okay, there was a little bit of over twist there or there. But for the most part, I think I actually did a really good job of getting the over twist out of it. And it came out actually quite nice. So I'm very pleased with that. And I ended up with 76 yards, which is about 70 meters. And I had 4 ounces, about 111 grams. So very pleased with that one. So that is skein number 1 complete for Tour De Fleece. So I did finish then my second bobbin. So this one will get to rest overnight and then it can get plied tomorrow with the bobbin number 1 that I completed yesterday. So that one will get put together with this one and make skein number 2. So these 2 got done. But since we had company, so I did tell you that I started a little bit in the car. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. I told you I was playing on my phone. That was my a little bit I did on the Traveler, but you can see how nicely it does spin up on this spindle. So that was the little tiny bit that I spun in the car today. But while we had company here, I did pull out my other spindle and I spun all that. So I got a decent amount on that one spun up. And I am got all this pre-drafted and ready to go. So I have more there. So that basket will go with me tomorrow to dentist appointments. So that's ready to go. And for those of you who are new here, I do have previous videos you can go back and watch. I have a playlist set up for Tour De Fleece, and that will be linked at the end. I am doing a Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club blanket spin. I do have an affiliate link with them down below. They have amazing fiber, so make sure and go check them out. And there is a discount code too. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're doing Tour De Fleece or not, and if you are doing video uploads. And if you've already left me those kind of comments, just leave me a comment and say hello and say happy Tour De Fleece and, you know, something. I love comments. So I will see you all tomorrow for day 3 of Tour De Fleece, and happy 20 years of Tour De Fleece.